Let's get ready to retro! Here we go, guys. A brand new case of retro entertainment has come in. And you know what? I don't even know if it's still called entertainment. I don't know if it's called Hot Wheels Premium Entertainment. I don't know if it's called Hot Wheels Retro Entertainment Premium. But I'll figure that out for the next case. Be that as it may. We got the legendary in-case in today. Hot off the truck. So before we get into that, we're going to do our next drawing on Halloween. You know what? Let's just do it. Halloween, here's what we got so far. We've got 2 sets of Desert Rally. We've got 2 sets of Entertainment P case. We have 2 sets of Entertainment in case. And the smoking hot Team Transport F case. We have 4 winners coming. So subscribe and comment. Subscribing gets you entered on almost every video we've ever done. So you've already got it. You know, subscribing gets you 4 entries right there. And then commenting on some of the videos gets you entered for again. So be sure you're checking out those 4 videos. I'm going to do a couple more for the Halloween drawing. And we're just going to keep doing it because I love doing it. I love having winners everywhere. So without further ado, we're going to open up the in case. Take a top-down view of it real quick. It's got the infamous pizza truck. It's got some other goodies in there. Let's go ahead and take a peek of in case. It's 10 cars per case. This particular case is evenly dispersed, which is good because that means that there's 2 sets per case. So 2 cases at a time. Again, the Retro Entertainment series has really getting kind of hot again. It's getting the quality's there. I love it. The bubbles are back to normal size, which I love. I just like it. So here is the Aston Martin DB10 James Bond car. This is the first car out of the case. Then the next car, one of the guys that works with us absolutely loves Gumball 3000. This is the Gumball 3000 Subaru Impreza WRX. It looks like an STI to me. It might not be an STI. It might just be a WRX, but it's got the spoiler on the back and it's got the hood scoop. So to me, that's an STI, but it does not say that, I don't think. Oh no, there it does. You can see the STI logo on the very back bumper. Sick car. I love this car. I actually owned one of these. Not that you guys care, but I owned one of these way back in 2009. Very cool car. The next car in the case is the Larry Woods Rocket League Boneshaker. Everybody loves a Boneshaker with real riders on it. Personally, I think this car is awesome. I'd love to see it in real life. Don't know that I would fit in there, but very cool car. It's got the blue flames on the hood. It's got the exhaust manifolds coming out the side of the front of the car. Got the Rocket League logo on it. The next car is another one of my favorite is Deadpool. This time, instead of the chimichanga truck, it's the ice cream truck. Again, 2 of everything per case. But I don't know if you can see him in there, but he's actually in the truck. And it's the Deadpool ice cream truck. Deadpool's super popular right now. And then the very last 2 cars in the case. As you can tell, that's the last of the case. are the Pizza Planet pizza truck. Now this car is just silly hot, and it's got the little Pizza Planet rocket on the top of it. Super cool car. I'm sure you guys have seen that on Toy Story, but there is the pizza truck. On the back it's got the yo. I don't know if you can see that good or not, but because the other parts of the Toyota have been wiped off. Very cool. So there is retro in case. We're going to give both of these sets away. The set on the left is going to go to a subscriber, and the set on the right is going to go to someone that comments. So you got to enter to win. I hope you guys do. We'll see you on Halloween for sure, because that's when we're going to draw the winners. So thank you again for joining us. It's Wheel Collectors, hot off the truck.